Alright guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Lushwig again. Yeah, it's been a while since I've tried a wig from them again, but yeah, it's same packaging as last time. Has their social media listed on the box, you know. It ensures you that it's virgin hair that you're getting, and yeah, that's all that's on the box. Open the box. I see the hair. Getting in that in a few. Let's see what else we got. So I got a rat tail comb. Cool. Also got two of these clips, two of my favorite clips, because when I want to curl my hair, these are so handy. Oh my gosh, I got some really bold lashes if I'm feeling really bold, or when carnival starts happening again, then I'll wear lashes like this. I can't tell when last I wore lashes this bold, you know. It's really nice for something very dramatic, like a very bold event. And I also got a wig cap, and that's the last thing that came in today's box. For today's wig, we have a long bob working with. This is 16 inches long, and I love a good blunt cut hair. It's blunt at the bottom, very full and nice, looks healthy and natural hair color. It feels good, you know. It has a bit of a coarse feeling, you know, like Brazilian hair, yeah, like a coarse, strong feeling. It's not all the way like super silky. It looks like silky. It does have a bit of fake scalp in there, and it is transparent lace. It does come pre-plucked a bit. I'm gonna go in more though and pluck it more because I want there to be more graduation. Comes with like a center part. This is really nice. I can see this. I can already see that sleek, straight look. After installation, it looks so good. I can't wait to go ahead and just install this. Oh, the cap construction, it does come with an extra elastic band on the inside, so you can remove it if it's too much, you know, or leave it in there. It does also have 4 combs in total in the cap and adjustable straps, so that's cool. So yeah, that's how that looks. So let's go ahead and jump into installing this gorgeous wig. Okay, oh, it was actually a side part and not a center part that it came with, but that's not a big deal. I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into laying this today though. I'm not using Got2b. I'm gonna be using my olive oil gel, okay, and I'm going to use that in combination with the Fix It Super Hold Spray. 2 of these work magic. So neat. It's a really good application. They're not messy. Got2b can be a little bit more messy, but it's quicker, so that's why sometimes I go with most of the time I go with the Got2b. But to be honest, this is way more like less messy, and it has a strong hold. really love the way it laid. I'm just gonna use the same gel to lay it. As you guys saw when I was cutting away the excess lace, I used this on the edge portion if it had any lifting. So I'm just gonna go in and do my edges. You don't have to do this if you don't want. This is completely optional. You can do the whole pullback vibe. I feel like I want to do a half up, half down. I'm gonna see how I feel by the end of this. You see this melt down now. The baby hairs, I know they're very much there, but I wanted all those baby hairs today. That's how I felt. I just wanted that little, you know, like classic baby hair look. That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted for this half up, half down. Well, yeah, no, I got it out there. Yeah, I decided that I'm gonna do the half up, half down because, you know, that's just how I feel. So, but the meltdown, I had to show you. Like, the meltdown is so pretty. So nice. I love the hairline. It's super natural, so it's coming along nicely. So this is actually the next day. Okay, I slept overnight on these baby hairs, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into straightening the hair. I just love the blunt look already. Oh my gosh, I love the blunt look. This is not gonna take a long time to straighten at all because it's not a lot of hair like working with. It's just a simple, cute half of half the way that I decided to go with today, as I mentioned before, and I'm really loving it. You know, it's giving me high school vibe. It's giving me like high school on the cheerleading team kind of vibe, definitely. And I used to wear my hair like this a lot. I actually used to wear my hair like this a lot. I did not get a lot of shedding. There is shedding, but I just didn't get a lot of it. So yeah, that's easy to work around. You know, every hair sheds. I'm going to put all the specifications to this wig in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. Also, don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel for my, you know, daily/weekly vlogs that I upload over there. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual. I really do appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself.